AI assistants are everywhere right now, but some have quickly become the most popular and powerful tools people are using every single day. In this video, I'll introduce you to three of the biggest names: ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. Each one has unique strengths that can help with writing, learning, or even organizing your work. Welcome to NextGen AI Lab, where I share simple AI tricks and tutorials to keep you ahead of the curve. If you're curious about the latest tools that can save you time and boost your creativity, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the journey. Let's dive in. First up, ChatGPT by OpenAI. You've probably heard of this one. It's one of the most popular chatbots out there, and chances are you've used it before. It's like the Swiss Army knife of chatbots. It can help you write emails, brainstorm ideas, answer questions, and even write code. Now let me try an example. Write an Instagram post to promote a new summer collection. You can ask it to write anything from a marketing email to a full YouTube script. And the more detail you give it in your prompt, the better the result. There's also Canvas, a feature that lets you edit long-form text side by side with ChatGPT. You can tweak specific phrases, request tone changes, or iterate on ideas, like turning a generic email into a polished, time-sensitive one for, let's say, a cookie launch. Next up, let's explore Claude with their free AI chatbot tool. Claude really stands out because it doesn't feel like you're chatting with a bot. The tone is thoughtful, natural, almost like talking to a mentor or professor who actually cares. What's cool is you can shape the way it talks. Want it concise, more formal, casual, or even your exact style? Just drop in a few samples and Claude adapts. It's also surprisingly good for learning. Say you're working on CSS. Claude won't just throw code at you. It explains step by step, gives examples, and makes sure you understand the why, not just the how. Of course, it has limits. It can't generate images, it doesn't browse the web, and depending on your plan, you'll hit message caps. Still, if you care about tone, feedback, and a tool that feels like it's teaching with you, Claude is absolutely worth checking out. Next up, we have Google Gemini, an AI assistant formerly known as Bard. Formerly known as Bard, it's more than just a chatbot. It connects to Google Search, Gmail, Drive, Calendar, and YouTube, making it one of the most tightly integrated assistants available. Ask it for help writing a performance review, and it'll give you multiple polished options. Use it to look up facts, and you'll get real-time citations that you can expand. It can extract data from images, generate illustrations, and even summarize YouTube videos or documents in your Drive. With extensions turned on, Gemini gets even smarter. Type at Gmail, at Drive, or at Calendar in a prompt to find documents, summarize folders, or even schedule meetings. And that's it. Three of the most popular AI assistants today: ChatGPT, Claude, and Google Gemini. Each has its own strengths, so try them out and see which one fits you best. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next AI tips here on NextGen AI Lab. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.